Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to rename your project on your Capcut application. So first thing you have to do, open the Capcut application, and after that you can see that all of the project that I have here has no title on it. So it's just containing the times or the dates that I edit this project or I create this project. 11/29 means that this project is created on 29 November 2023. So we need to rename it so that we can get specific and organize all of this project. To rename this project, you just need to click these three small dots, and after that go click rename. Now you just need to prepare the name and just type on it. You need to go click block of everything and just go click delete, and now you just need to enter the title that you want to have for the project. For example, cat 1. And after you finish, you just need to go click OK, and now the name or the title is already changed. So that's the way how to rename a project on a Capcut. If you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.